Call First Republic at 718-380-0006 and eliminate the middleman.
We have some shiny rates, Squeeze, and you know about those rates.
Tell them about the rates, man, and what you can do
Well,
for
you know,
them
it's
right
not
now.
only the rates, but what we can do with their scenario to make them financially stable and more happy because we will actually and physically look at their profile individually and analyze their situation and give them on the spot result of what can happen, how we can change their life dramatically, and how we can help them to save a tremendous amount of money each month by consolidating whatever debt they may have, not only and limited to the credit cards, but you may have auto loan, school loan, timeshare, second mortgage, etc. And all of this we can combine into one, and you're sitting there with the equity in your home, and that is a good resource that you have to put yourself on the road to financial stability by utilizing it. Don't sit there with it being house rich and you are cash poor. You need that cash in your hand today. Some of us always say cash is king, but cash is confident. You can go there and you can live a better lifestyle because you can utilize that cash to improve your quality of life. And when cost of living surrounds you and inflation is there in our community and we are in a recession, we definitely need cash and we need that money, and you're sitting there on that money doing nothing. All you have to do is to reach out. Dial the magical number right there in the studio. Talk to the professional, Tony Shafiq, yours truly, the mortgage doctor with 26 years of experience and going on. And I serve community excellence and loyalty. And remember folks, I have the capacity and the knowledge to structure that loan application that will benefit you, and I can offer you right now today on the spot that 5% fixed rate for 30 years. It's with an APR of 5.78. Cost per thousand is only $5.37. You have that option right now to make the call and get yourself a beautiful rate, and you can rid yourself of all your financial burden that is so heavy that you can't step forward, and you do not know how the new year 2009 will break you. Now is an opportunity that you have an idea how to solve your situation and live for a better 2009. And I must reemphasize, Squeeze, about the buyer's market. It is a buyer's market. Remember, what has been happening in the market has not happened over 7 years with the low house prices, the cost of houses out there, and the low interest rate. Combine the two together, it's a buyer's market. So you folks, you have to hit the nail on the head. Take action immediately. Get yourself pre-approved for that mortgage. Go there and shop, and we can even help you to give you a real estate agent or broker to help you look for the house so that you can achieve your American dream. All of this can happen with one phone call if you take action immediately. I'm in the studio. All calls are taken privately and confidentially off the air, and the number here is 718-652-6200. That number again, and it's a household number in your home, 718-652-6200. The man Squeeze, you know that he uplifts and elevates our community. He is one of the most dynamic radio personality, and we already like his style because you know what? He knows what the community is looking for, and he do not involve with associate himself with enterprises out there that do not deliver the goods and services. And working with First Republic Mortgage Bank and other entities that he work with, other establishment, I would say, that he know these entities make sure they deliver the goods and services and set excellence in our community. And that's what we strive for, to improve the quality of life in our respective community.
Definitely. His name is Tony Shafiq, and once again, folks, he would like to take your calls now to give you advice, to help you financially with his advice and show you how you can actually eliminate a lot of debt, buy your home, just talk to you also about your credit profile and what needs to be done and can be done. Remember, the first, what is the Chinese proverb that says the distance of 1,000 miles starts with the first step?
Step, actually.
You need to make that step right now by calling 718-652-6200. That is 718-652-6200.
And Squeeze, we can help these people. Although their credit profile may not be up to par, remember we have the resources, the technology, and the know-how and the capacity to work on that score to get to a score that the underwriter will approve your loan. Leave those things up to the professional. Make the call and let me work with you. Let First Republic work with you so that we can disclose to you what is your situation at this present moment.
First Republic Mortgage Bankers is a licensed mortgage banker, direct lender in New York, New Jersey, Connecticut, Pennsylvania, Florida, Delaware, Maryland, Georgia, South Carolina, headquartered at 110 Jericho Turnpike, Floral Park, New York.